Metafair introduced Code World Model (CWM), a 32 billion parameter open weights research LLM for code that targets world modeled reasoning. Beyond static code, CWM is trained with Python interpreter traces and agentic interactions in containerized repositories, then post-trained via supervised instruction tuning and verifiable multitask reinforcement learning. Code World Model's training procedure has 3 stages. 8 trillion tokens of pre-training at 8,192 context, mid-training for 5 trillion tokens at 131,072 context on world modeling data, and post-training with supervised fine-tuning and multitask, multi-turn verifiable reinforcement learning. The data sources include large code web stem corpora greater than 30,000 executable Docker images greater than 200 million, Python memory traces approximately 3 million agentic trajectories, and code/IR datasets. Architecturally, Code World Model uses 64 transformer blocks with grouped query attention and an alternating 3-to-1 pattern of local or global sliding window attention. Tokenizer size is 128,000. Code World Model offers strong performance on general coding and math tasks. It reaches pass-at-1 scores of 65.8% on SWE bench verified with test time scaling, 68.6% on live code bench, 96.6% on math 500, and 76.0% on AIME 2024. CWM is a dense, decoder-only LLM trained with a context size of up to 131,000 tokens. You can find the codes on GitHub and Hugging Face pages. We have added the links in the comments.